Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're talking about Boxyluxe. I actually upgraded on time, so I got it. I'm super excited. I put this face together, and if you want to see how I did it, it's happening right meow.
You don't necessarily have to tell everybody everything that you don't like about them, you know? Like, it's not really necessary always to share that information, you know, because it does hurt my feelings when people say that I look terrible.
Amen, Jen.
I didn't look.
I love her. Be nice to Jen. Okay, she's an angel. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. This is a rose gold pearl peel off mask that makes your skin look better. So I have used this a couple times. I really like it. It's good. I mean, it doesn't hurt to come off. The first time I used it, I might have gotten a little close to my eye area, and when I was peeling it off, it, you know, lifted my skin up a little bit, which made me a little nervous, but it was okay. It has no fragrance, which is nice. You have to kind of put on a generous amount so that when it dries, there's enough to kind of peel off, because the first time I used it, I think it was maybe too thin of a layer, so peeling it off was a little bit of a challenge. So this retails for $34. It says excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. Yeah, sure. I mean, like, my pores around my nose are they're there. They are visible. So this is nice. $34. That's a great value. Okay, so kind of going in order here. So next is this It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. It says it's good for all skin types, even the most sensitive, and it's quick absorbing super cream, immerses your skin in moisture, and blah, 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 blah. This retails for $48. That seems like a lot. However, my skin around my nose has been so irritated because of just winter will not stop. This has been helping a lot. I use the Belief True Cream Moisturizing Balm and some oils because I have like super combination skin and it just gets really dry around here, especially in the winter. This is so nice. No strong fragrance. There's a little bit of a fragrance, but I'm just gonna apply some. I put on a lot because I'm old and I need moisture. So today is like a little peak of spring. It's like 70-ish. I have some of the windows open and I live right next door to a laundromat. And if the wind is right, the whole house smells like laundry, and it's awesome. So this packaging also is super heavy. Is it like ceramic? I think it's some kind of ceramic. It's super heavy and luxe. You feel pretty fancy with it. There's a lot of product in here. I really like it. I really like it a lot. I was super excited to see that this came in the box, so. Yay! So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is this iconic London eyebrow cushion. I'm not going to open this and show you the product. I'm not going to use this product because the color they sent me is medium. I don't think that's going to work for me. And I don't mean to dismiss it because maybe it would change my life, but I don't want to risk it. What I would rather do is set this aside and pass it on to somebody else who I know would get better use out of it. So I'm gonna put this in the giveaway pile. Yeah, that's right, I said giveaway. This eyebrow cushion retails for $40. $40! There's a tiny little brush in there. Can you hear it? It's, you know, like a cushion foundation, but it's color for your brows. And then it comes with a little brush for you to put on your eyebrow. If this was a light color, I would definitely use it. I'm super interested. I don't wanna be wasteful, do you know what I mean? Like, what if I open it up and it's like, whoa, that is like chocolate brown. So anyways, this is gonna go into the giveaway. Lucky you, whoever wins it. Let's pause for a second and let me get my face back on. So I took it off so that I could do these skincare products, and we'll come back and keep going with this look. So I have my face on, pretty much only like foundation, a little bit of concealer. A little bit lighter of a beat today, so it's not 100% perfect. Okay, whatever. The next item in the bag or box, the BOXYCHARM, is this Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. This retails for $45. I was pretty excited to see this. I don't really have a lot of Cover FX things. I have the glitter drops and I think maybe one other something, but this is really cool. You know, you get 6 things. So there's contour, blush, illuminators, shimmering highlighters, finishing powders. I have a trip coming up in the summer, and as soon as I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna save so much room in my makeup bag because I could just take this instead of all of these individual things. as long as they perform well. So let's try them out, shall we? So I'm gonna take a pointed powder brush and let's contour in the regular zones. So when my hair is parted on the side like that, I like to go up to the hairline. I got a zit right there. I see it. Annoying. And let's put a little bit under my chinny chin. It's applying really nicely. The color is lovely. The blend is good. I don't have any patchiness. I did powder, you know, my foundation, so I'm sure that helps. Well, let's keep going. So with a angled blush brush, I'm gonna tap into this pretty pink blush. It's like bubblegum pink, like a true bubblegum pink. I mean, just look at that brush. Beautiful. Ah, it's so cute. It's nice. It's like a nice blush. Or blush. Oh, you know what? It came with brushes. I'm stupid. These are MODA brushes. So this 2-pack of MODA brushes are $29.99. Really? Whoa. They're super soft, especially this one. Oof. Oh my gosh. So nice. Ooh, I'm excited about it. It's so fluffy and wiggly. Yeah, so, oh wow, that is soft. You know what? I'm gonna dip into this finishing powder in the center, and I'm just gonna put that here in the kind of the center of my face. It actually is. I mean, that is lovely. I don't typically use finishing powder often, but this one is giving like a really nice, lovely blur effect. I'm into it, and this brush is heavenly. So now I'm gonna dip into this golden highlighter shade. Are they named? Yes, they are. This is Starlight. All I can see is this giant zit on my face. It's like a little angel kiss. Very delicate. Ooh, and it is leaving a lovely sheen. Yeah, this highlight is bomb. Bomb! Did I tell you how much this was? $45. That's a great value because you're getting blush, highlighter, finishing powder, and contour shade. I like. Next. Holy shit. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is these Deborah Lippmann Odana and Modern Love are the colors. These are fingernail polish colors. Odana and Modern Love are the color tone names. These retail for $20. Sorry, I should have polished my nails with one of these colors for this video so I could tell you, but I should be able to get away with this color at work. I have rules for I can't wear like crazy colors at work, but this one should work really nicely because it's a nice natural tone, so I'll have to use it and then report back to you. Maybe I'll post something on Instagram stories or something like that. I mean, it's kind of hard to mess up fingernail polish, right? Next, we have a Morphe 15 shade artistry palette. This retails for $16. Morphe has stepped it up big time with their packaging. This package is heavy and it feels super luxe, and it has a full-size mirror. Look at the size of this. There's a healthy mix of just kind of neutral browns, more mustardy kinds of browns, and a lot of mattes. So I'm excited about this. We're gonna start with this color, Natural. Let's go in the crease. Why am I doing this on the side with the zit? Here we go. Do you hear that beeping? It's my laundry. Shh. So how many of you were like anti-shadow in the eye bag and then you tried it and were converted? Tell me in the comments. Me. Definitely me. Now I can't get enough of it. I love this look. Let's grab this color, Define. This one here, this one here, this one here. Let's just go right in that crease just to deepen it, kind of in this outer corner. Okay, now with this tiny Luxie angled brush, let's go into Epic right here. And I want to deepen just the outer corner. All right, I'm just taking that first brush and just running it right over those edges so we have a nice blend. Now we're gonna take this color Spark. It's like a tan gold. Taking it on the finger, and then I'm just gonna put it right on the front portion of the lid. It's like a gold. So we're kind of giving this a bronzed vibe. It's very much like my hair color kind of vibes. And then with a flat definer brush, I'm going to tap into this color Just Eyes. It's a shimmer brown, and I'm gonna tap that into this lower lash line. With a pencil brush, I'm gonna go back into the Cover FX palette and dip into that original highlight shade that we used and use that for inner corner highlight. So now what I want to do is put on some mascara, and today we're using these lashes that came in the kit. These are Lily lashes in the style Gaia. I've had them sitting here prepping ready. I'm super excited to wear these. They look exactly the kind of lashes like I love. So let me put on mascara, put on lashes. I'll have my other eye done and then we'll come back, and there's a lipstick in here for us to use. So just hang on to your butts. And we'll be right back. Lashes are on, the other eye is done, mascara on, and I just adjusted my bangs just a little bit. So these lashes are beautiful. They are everything that I expected them to be. They are the style that kind of flares out a little bit on the corners, which is not normally what I prefer. They're beautiful. They really are. They're very lightweight. These are Invisibands, which you know is my jam. These are foam ink lashes, so they feel like real hair. I don't like lashes like plastic lashes. I see them a lot. You know, when I'm shopping for a new style or something, and from far away, those are beautiful. And then you get up close and it's like, oh no, oh no, 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 no. So these lashes are exclusive foam ink Gaia lashes. Cruelty-free lashes are durable and enough to give you up to 20 wears. $24.99. That is super expensive for an eyelash. I feel like you could get this result with an Ardell foam ink lash for less than half the price. Let's finish up this face. So we're gonna use this Becca Ultimate Lipstick in the color Chocolate. Chocolate. Well, the good news is that it's super creamy and comfortable, and it went on very easy. The bad news is, I don't know how I feel about this color. This makes me uncomfortable. I'm scared of this color, but my teeth look great. The formula is really lovely. This retails for $24. This says it's moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. I'm not mad about it. It feels nice. It's creamy. It feels moisturizing. It doesn't feel greasy, and it's not all over my teeth, so that's a win. Okay, lastly, the BOXYCHARM Boxyluxe came with a train case. It's this pretty like holographic rose gold snakeskin. It's like crocodile skin. I have about 8 million of these. I don't really need this. It's nice. It's nice. Everything fit in here. I'm not mad at this bag. I just already have a bazillion bags. Didn't need another bag. So we are back on track with BOXYCHARM in the green region of thumbs up satisfaction. If you did not upgrade to Boxyluxe, what did you get in your regular BOXYCHARM? Are there items in here that made their way into your box, or did you get like totally different stuff? Let me know. If you don't know where to subscribe to BOXYCHARM, I will put a link down below so you can do that. I will list all of these products that came in my Boxyluxe, including links, including prices, and including coupons if I've got them. How many times have I said in a review of a box that there was like one item that I wasn't mad about, but I already have and don't need, and I'm just gonna set aside for the giveaway? I've said it a lot of times. Well, guess what today?
We're announcing a giveaway!
Number one, what you're gonna get in this giveaway is this train case. And inside of it is going to be that mini straightener from Christmas time. A tube of Better Than Sex mascara. You're welcome. You're gonna get this Briogeo Rose Sarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Yes. This Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. And you're gonna get this iconic London eyebrow cushion that came in this Boxyluxe. So, if you want all the stuff in this bag, you can have it if you win the giveaway. Okay, so the rules for the giveaway are the same as we have done previously. All you need to do to enter is leave a comment on this video. Today is March 21st. You will have until the next video goes up, which is March 28th, to leave comments. Keep leaving comments on this video until it closes right when the next video goes up. When the next video goes up, I will announce on Instagram who the winner is. So you're gonna have to go over there to check it out. My Instagram is down below. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, then please let me know with a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you comment down below, you will be entered to win this giveaway, which will be announced next week on Instagram. My Instagram is on the screen right now. Right now. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. That will send you a notice whenever I upload a new video here on YouTube, which is every Thursday at noon. I think that is all the biz. I'll catch you next week when we announce the giveaway in the next video. Bye! Can you hear me? Did I just make my lip look stupid? Probably. I haven't even told you what this is. Readers. Hang on, let me get my effing life together. Jeez. That's stupid. Stop talking. I'm always on. I love coffee.